Okay, we're back in business. I don't know why, I just had a little stall right there. Sometimes it happens. Get a nice view of the back here. I just found my no trespassing sign. Blew away in the last windstorm. There she comes again up against the long straight. Runs really good, huh, Dick? I'll get those old-fashioned passenger cars out and see how they run. The only problem I've seen so far with it is they've raised the couplers on the rear. They're about a ½ inch higher than all the other couplers on all the other cars. And I don't know why they would do that, unless they're trying to... I think this is a little bigger scale than their normal stuff. They may be trying to do another line. Another scale line, I mean, so the cars don't match with each other. Here she comes around the hill. No problem this time. Nice view of the backyard. And all this property down here is ours too. Hopefully someday we'll have a big shed down here. Tamara wants to get it all fenced in. She comes up the hill again. Beautiful day.